Dear customer, after you finished the installation of the gate opener and the connection to the control box, you can release the gear, open the gate manually to 90-degree full opening and lock the gear. Then go to control panel and set the limit switch. Press the enter button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And choose by the up arrow button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. SL limit switch. Choose the enter button. The factory default set is not NT. We need to choose yes. We choose with limit switch inside motor and press the enter button to confirm. Then exit the advanced menu. Now we can begin to self-program automatically very easily. Just press the up arrow button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, auto. Now the gate 1 is closing, gate 2 is closing with prime interval. When the gates are closed, the self-learning is finished and the screen will show the double dash on the screen. It was on standby. Now we can use remote control to have a taste. Open. Stop. Close. CL. Close. Gate 1 closed. Gate 2 closed. Slow down. Slow down and stop. Thank you.